luckily we got the win, which was all at the start really. It's hard to start on the outside here, so it was good to pull that off, and then was able to gap the field and just try and look after our brakes and tyres. And the next race is the one with the money on it, so that's the one that we're looking at. And it's good to get a win though, and hopefully get a bit of an edge on him.
Yeah, good to bring the TPS group car home in second in race 3. Got another big race this afternoon. I think if we can race hard in those first few laps and be in the top 2 for this race, we can still take this thing out. We've got to find some answers for Kelly at the moment. But yeah, we've got a car that we can win with today. So I'm bloody pumped to get out there for this next one.
Just finished P3 in race 3, so I'm looking forward to the race this afternoon. It's a beautiful day here in Baskerville, and there's plenty of fans on the hill. And Owen drove really well in that one, and so did Brett. And I'm just looking forward to the race 4 this afternoon, and hopefully we can come away with the victory. I'll be out there trying my best and see how we go.